the McNally Jackson Espresso Book Machine, and this is When Coffee Speaks. This is the cover, becoming a cover. This is Beth, fearless book printer. This is the server that houses the precious PDF. And this is the inner workings of the machine, and we'll print there in a few minutes. You can see page by page. This is how you make a book.